Facial features. Secret flat ordinary play. I usually want to wear a motivated makeup look. On the contrary, it is better to look old and dirty than not bad. Why don't you come and be narcissistic? I feel cold without eating mustard at all. She allows you to just master these little brothers. Quickly look at life makeup. Easy. Let's change a wave of fans today. Color printing live broadcast of the last buzz of this pile. In fact, I have been entangling this pile for a long time. As for the pile, he is actually partial. A slightly smoky feeling of a rich eye. So the point on our pale shadow face. 93.1 is on our big-eyed face. Create the kind of long blessing. The second is that we have no tear ditches. With nasolabial folds, how do you draw that? Large areas of current temperature. Sheen blush third. The most important thing is to create that kind of sky. Slender love yin. My first before going to eye foundation. I'm still pretending. Correct the complexion on the face. Like dark circles during the day. Eye makeup. When it's heavy, our base makeup will be applied. Try to be as clean as possible. Cheek. The redness of the nose is still green. Correct it and use blue to hedge your mouth. And the redness on the forehead. Just pat him open with your finger. Is your nose very dry? Moisturize him first. I should brush acid. Very special. Sensitive. I still use a thin atmosphere like a brush for foundation. Start in the face. Not to the side of the face. He brushed it, it's super cool. Look, change half of your face 3 times. Because I just finished saying I. Spray him on the surface. If it's wet, go and pat him vertically on the face. So that he doesn't suck the grease pops off our faces. There are places where concealer is not enough. You can use an umbrella a little longer. Because of this foundation I used today, its concealer power is good, so after leaving home, his feet will be better. If there are still such obvious acne marks, just get the concealer for the skin tone, so click it directly and poke it on. Go and gently put the edge. We just wanted to transition this base makeup. In this way, this base makeup can be said to be the ultimate dragon, shrimp, and formal wear. His blush glamour is very big. Basically the entire eye to the bridge of the nose. It's all blush. People like us with tear furrows. Be sure to take the blush front. Look at the color of his blush. It's a little bit like this. Slightly smoked rose purple tones. Because he has a sense of water light, I can use a brush with this high quality paste. Go wash this brush. You see, he is more even. Take a picture like this. Just a bunch. The regular flat brush. If you apply this moist blush cream, he is easy to twist into a lump. I said Dad is pinned from outside the door. This place. Downwards diagonally, this is the main area. Then we put the edge to our face. Transition. Let him have no obvious boundary with our skin. The thread goes all the way to our leather backs. Bridge of the nose. There's blush all over the place. And the nose, there's a nest here. The second half of the evil eyelid. Adiosa, you have to take the place here. Similar to a W profile, I feel that this inner groove is still a bit obvious. Then we use powder next. Color lifting rod to transition. Before. Shave the mouth of the bottle, we have very few nails. Move sideways. Basic inside. Then enjoy. Your head is a bag. The mouth is full. One day, 3 roots. Yu Gong will give him half a year of meat without opening it. Morning. Knead the dough like this, and you will see that he has a sense of concentration. Not here. Such an obvious hook. Hee, and the pink one is tied with our blush. Would be better. I will have a very obvious sense of disconnection between the color blocks. In fact, we bring up the highlights. Now this nose. The shadow of the subskeleton is already quite obvious. The nose shape is simpler today. It is one of the colder features of the face. I still need to shrink the nose and face a little bit. I found this rather dry. They all like this very much. Small tip. And now also single. Then on the back of the nose. It's already straight here. Double C wire, give it a little more emphasis. Up is also connected to complexion. Like we just had big eyes and bigger blush. Don't you think this is a piece of meat white? Can't take it back. My head is so casual. Sort it out. A box of non-burning dogs with slanted bangs. He's the girl who cut the ribbon. The boy we kissed. Dear. By this time, our base makeup has already formed a film, so you can rest assured and be bold. Use the shadow of the double line to hook down slightly. Just nose. By setting makeup. I have this plate now. He can only use a brush to pick up the plate. If you use a puff, you can't get a big piece in the middle. It does that with this little brush. After application and formation of reflective hydraulics, it would be flatter. The limit of the eyelids is rubbed off. Then drop again. Forehead. Print him on the side of the face. The sheen here in the middle of your home. You can keep it for him. If you finish setting makeup, where do you think these customers are located? The guest is out again. So we have a little triangle like this. Shaped small brush. Stand up, yellow light, aim at this one like this. Look. Disappear in place, right? This is better than this. It feels very flat. So during the makeup process, I was strangely wrong. Don't worry at all, there are many ways, right? The effect after beautiful makeup is probably like this. The whole thing is very laterally elongated eyes. And then midway down. It has a micro-amplification effect, a little too good at drawing eye. First, the eyebrows. We use this orange pink. It is still the most important prevention from the brow ridge line. Pull it back completely flat. It should be slightly longer than the usual eyebrows. Eyebrow powder, rub your eyebrows. Raise your eyebrows. Then he has no eyebrows at all. So we're going to use concealer to make the eyebrows. Cover it here. Then use a light-colored dye cream. The eyebrows can be completely lightly dyed. It's a donkey. And the tail of the eyebrow. But we must not lose this eyebrow tail too hastily. God, it's such a soft one-word eyebrow. Use this lavender one first. Start with the eye socket. Lay it all in color. It's very large. And then from the end of the brow, the petals curve. Spread the whole agio saliva. It's pasted with this handle diagonally. Also at the end of your eye. Forward transition. Eye. Be sure to put the color here. Make a quick transition with our mountain roots here. The lower eyelid is only laid on the back door panel here. Because we're going to lengthen the eyes for it. So every step starts with eyeshadow. Is to extend it back. And then there's this one, and here you coat it. Then move forward. Double eyelid connection. Girlfriend is. I want to lay out the scope of eyeshadow for him first. Don't be afraid of the heart. Replace this loose brush we just primed. That keeps going back and forth to smudge the border. Just be patient. Just smudge it like this. Then continue to use this color. Also from the eyetail hook here. You start with a little semi-arc. Then here with. Welcome to our restaurant. Then, we will apply double eyelid stickers. The first level is to raise our eyes first, then the second floor. It's still like this, half of it is enough. Or put it on the first layer. After opening the end of the eye, this double eyelid, if you cover it, it won't block our eyeliner. Then come to our inner eyeliner. We need to make this inner eyeliner thick. To fill it in the root of the eyelashes. Lift it up a little bit to about 2 millimeters. Then, hook down along the arc of the corner of the eye. Zhao Jingjing must be connected smoothly with the inner eyeliner. Draw a red eye. Teach you to tick back in the next second. Let the eyeliner traffic. Slightly tick an edge. Look at this, the corners of the eyes are all shot. What about eyeliner? We're still from the outside of the pupil here. We're going from here. Pull it sideways. Smear all the way back. The end of the eye is raised a little bit here. Glue the eyelashes here and fill the inside. Is this eye already there? It's been a long time. The next thing is to stick to as with this pure black eyeliner bit by bit. Poke it in. Small pattern. Dye it. Pure black eye liquid pen, it's very simple. Just black trace the eyeliner you just determined. 10 is fine. See, this level feels right. Then mix these two. Start here at the end of the eyeliner and go forward. Welcome to the next point flat. Probably such a small. Protect the diagonal triangle. Edge. Transition, don't have too obvious lines. I use shells. Keep your eyes open. You are a front white. Is the back narrow subtype? Eyelashes are still pasted with this combination. Be sure to stick some back when applying eyelash stickers. Let him. The back has completely covered our eye line. The lower eyelashes are attached to the root of the eyelashes. Target parameter. Now the effect is like this. And then finally, we use a pure white matte glow. None of you will help me take it. I didn't wash it. This silver lozenge in the stack plate. Eye makeup. And there is still a little purple polarized light in the eyes. Yes, this lightning is really beautiful. Liang, how can I draw like this? What a beautiful eye makeup. Lipstick, I found a man and a colossus. God. The ancient feeling of plum teasing. Still the same. First, apply a light orange as a base. Give him another lip seam. Smudge the edge of the lip line. Let the lip line become that blurry hazy open. Apply this lip gloss again. You are on the inside of the upper and lower lips. Did you finish the makeup on the whole face? We can now adjust some small details. Like blush. We can do a little more. There is also a repair capacity of up to secondary 1. Adding it is also equivalent to giving us the first layer. This high end. Trim your setting. Finally, at this moment. The bottle is the same as his mole. You can finish this makeup calligraphy. Girlfriend, this makeup must be painted. It's a little bit too awesome. It's really 360 degrees without dead ends.